Karnataka right now is probably having the maximum number of cases after Maharashtra. I know that some of the districts adjoining this Kerala, 3-4 districts, they are under a little more you see pressure, and then of course 40% of your cases are contributed by the urban areas in Bengaluru. But the good thing is that while we have a recovery rate at the national level which is just slightly over 92%, your recovery rate is almost 93%. And while we at the national level have a fatality rate of 1.49, your fatality rate is 1.35. So that these are some of the good things. The country right now is showing better trends from almost I think active cases which were ranging from the number was around 10 lakhs a couple of weeks back. It's come down quite significantly, less than 50% of that, and even all other parameters are showing good results. So in the light of all this, and with the impending you see the potential of things getting aggravated, which we have seen in a couple of places. Your adjoining Kerala had, because of the festivities and related issues, there was a big spike that we noticed recently. And then because of the chances of this respiratory virus getting aggravated in terms of its transmission during the winter months, we all know that the Prime Minister in recent times has spoken about creating a Jan Andolan sort of movement for the people to religiously follow the COVID appropriate behavior. Again, reminding everybody, which we have been reminding, you have been reminding, everybody all across the country has been reminding people to follow the basics around wearing of masks properly, maintaining physical distance, and ensuring hand hygiene and respiratory etiquettes, and then of course avoiding these unnecessary participation in the gatherings.